Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm on the Harbor Freight website and I'm going to show you their Christmas coupons. These are good through December 15th. And first up, we have some air tools and compressors I'm going to show you. So go ahead and check these out. I do think these are kind of just a continuation of their Black Friday deals, but let's see. From McGraw, we had this 29-gallon, 165 PSI oil lube belt drive air compressor. You're saving $50. It's $4.99 now. Next up from Earthquake, you have this XT 3/8 of an inch by 50-foot industrial grade air hose reel for $149. It's going to be $20 off. And then they have this Pittsburgh screwdriver set. It's an 8-piece set, pretty high ratings. It's 20% off. Nothing crazy. It's $7.99. It was $9.99. And they had those soft handles on those. Now for $39, this is 33% off this Pittsburgh tool set with a 4-drawer chest. It's a 105-piece set, high ratings, and it has electrician tools, pliers, sockets, wrenches. And as you can see on the bottom, they have all kinds of different tools here. A nice kind of starter tool set for like a DIY, or if you just need something small. Now this is a Pittsburgh ratcheting screwdriver set. It's a 26-piece set for $8.99. This is 30% off. So it comes with the 1 ratchet and the 24 driver bits. Now, this is an 18-inch adjustable wrench from Pittsburgh. It is a longer wrench, so you're going to be able to get more leverage with this one, and it's 25% off. From Pittsburgh Automotive is this 1.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. This is 10% off. It's $89, and it's a lightweight racing jack that lifts up to 3,000 pounds and 3.5 pumps. Now from Icon is this master brake caliper set. It's a 20-piece set. It includes the left-handed and the right-handed thrust bolt assemblies for servicing these disc brakes. And this is going to be 21% off at $54.99. And it shows everything there. It was $69.99. Now from Zurich is this ZR-BT1. It's an OBD2 Bluetooth dongle code reader. It's $44 at 25% off. And the cool thing with this is you don't turn your phone or tablet into a diagnostic code reader. So you don't need a cord or any subscription to a certain app or anything. This is the Maddox 12-volt 125 PSI high performance inflator. This is just $10 off at $129, but it says it's got a powerful direct drive motor to fill an automobile or SUV from 10 to 30 PSI in only 2 minutes. So that's pretty good. And now next up, we have this Pittsburgh Automotive tubeless tire repair kit. It's a 9-piece kit, 41% off at $399. It was $679. And then you've got this Daytona 1.5-ton ultra low profile lightweight high performance racing jack with rapid pump. This is $20 off. And go ahead and leave a like on this video, guys. It does help me out, or a comment if you plan on picking one of these items up, or if you think one of these items is a good deal, or if you think it's not a good deal. So next up, we have this Ames Instruments 2.7-inch color compact digital inspection camera, 17% off at $69. And this is good if you want to get view on trouble spots or hard to reach places. It's great for automotive or even like plumbing, I would think, especially if you're modifying some new plumbing and you kind of need to take a look at what's going on. Now from Hallmaster, you've got this 2-inch by 16-foot E-Track tie-down strap. $6.99 is 30% off. And these are for use when you have that E-Track anchoring system in your truck. It's definitely helpful if you're moving stuff. You have all these different options of just tying this down and don't have to worry about which straps you're going to use or where you can get them. Next, we have this Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery. It's a jump starter and power pack with 150 PSI air compressor. It's $30 off at $169, and there's a limit 1 on this. It delivers 150% more cranking amps for more starts, it's saying, plus 150 PSI commercial grade air. Like with this is you get those extra long jumper cables. From Hallmaster, they've got this 1,000-pound capacity swing away trailer jack for $27. It's 20% off, and this is supposed to easily lift and move and store trailers. This is a 500-pound capacity aluminum mobility wheelchair and scooter carrier. So for $159, it's $20 off. And this is really helpful if you have an extra wide wheelchair It has a wide bed, so you can fit really any type of mobility device on this. And next, they've got this Tallmaster triple ball trailer hitch. $24. This is going to be 16% off, and this is for 2-inch receivers. Now, this is a 500-pound capacity steel cargo carrier. This is from Hallmaster. 25% off. It's $44. And this is great for oversized items. You always see these when you're driving down the road. Someone's got like a cooler, or they've got like some chairs. This person even has like some mulch on it and yard stuff. So that's pretty neat. From Hallmaster, again, they've got the 9,200-pound ratcheting and load binder for quickly securing big loads. That's 20% off. Now from Predator, this is a 212cc gas engine semi-trash water pump. This is going to be $55 off at $234. And this is helpful if you need to clear your job site like of water fast, and that is a gas engine. Now this is a 22 horsepower V-twin horizontal shaft gas engine. $20 off at $929. And this is a replacement for the 22 HP gas engines listed here. Now from Hallmaster, this is a 30 amp male to 15 amp female RV pigtail power adapter for $799. This is 20% off. And this is if you need a power of 15 amp generator from your RV with a pigtail adapter here. Now this is from Jupiter. It's a 3,000 watt continuous 6,000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter for $279. $20 off, so not anything crazy, but it's a high capacity inverter which powers handheld power tools, appliances, TVs, stereos, and more. And if you need something more for sensitive electronics, they've got this 2,000 watt, the 4,000 watt peak inverter. Now going back to the main page, this is lights. This is what I really like. It's the Luminar Work fixed dual head halogen work light, 17% off at $32. And this is 1,000 watts, plenty for a room if you're painting or something like that. Now from Bunker Hill Security, this is a 115 lumen wall solar security light for $999. These are 16% off. And these are nice because these are just peel and stick. So if you need extra light around your garage or walkway, you don't need electrical. You can just peel and stick these off and place them wherever you need to. Now from Vanguard is this 100-foot by 16 by 3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord. This is $24 and this is 16% off. Of course, this is water resistant with the high-vis orange color. Now from Bunker Hill Security, this is a wireless security alert system for $12.99. It's 23% off, and it has a range of 30 feet, and it's basically just going to chime when a visitor approaches. So it's not a security system, it's just going to chime. This is a 200 lumen LED super bright flip light. Pretty high ratings at $199. It's 33% off. Now these things are pretty cool because they're peel and stick as well. And these are great if you want them, just put them in your cabinets. See in the picture here, they've got them in the pantry, just places that don't have light naturally. Now this is an HFT 6-outlet power strip with metal housing. This is the bright yellow color, 26% off at $16.99. And this one is cool because it has the 2 switches with extra space for large power cables. And then the other 4 here are normally. So with this one, you're getting plenty of room here to plug in with large cords. This is a 180 lumen rotating magnetic LED work light at $449. This is 10% off. And this swivels and it's magnetic as well. So it's pretty cool. You can put it wherever you need to. Now this is from Braun. It's a 400 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED spotlight. This has some high ratings at 15% off. It's $16.99. And this is 400 lumens. It's IP67 rated to withstand tough conditions. I'm assuming that means like water, cold weather, things like that. Now these are cool. These are Hardy chainsaw protection work gloves. These are the large size. They come in large and extra large. And this is 20% off. And it's saying it has a class 1 left-hand cut protection that stops chainsaws up to 20 milliseconds for right-handed chainsaw operation. And it says the durable goat leather palms have vibration protection as well. So these sound pretty hardy. This is a Stick Tech 60-foot by 3 3/4 inch industrial grade electrical tape. I mean, it's great for any wiring jobs. It's a 10-pack, so you're getting quite a few things of tape here for $4.99. And go ahead and leave a comment, guys, and like this if you are finding value or there's something you might want to pick up or something that looks, even a price that looks kind of like a joke, let me know. Now, these are the Hardy nitrile dipped water resistant gloves. These are large. And this is the HFT anti-fatigue roll mat. This is 18% off if you're standing up a long time in your workshop. Now from Portland, this is the 9 amp 14-inch electric chainsaw at $39. This is 11% off. Now this is corded, and this is kind of good for general trimming, yard cleanup. We've had a lot of wind recently, so that would be helpful here if you need a corded chainsaw. Now from Bauer, this is the 20-volt cordless 96 mph jet fan blower kit. Has high ratings at $84, 15% off. It has 338 CFMs as far as its power. They're saying it's good for leaves, dirt, and debris. Next is this Cover Pro 10 by 10 foot portable shed. $159, only $15 off, but it's something. It's a portable shed, great for covering like outdoor equipment, and has attachments on the ground. Now this is cool. This is a foldable camping table. This is a green table. It comes in green and blue. Has 4 different cup holders, and it folds up. This is 28% off at $19. And here's some pictures of people using it like they're camping or hiking. So it's just a really cool idea. Now from Hercules is this beam cutter. It's actually an attachment onto your circular saw. It's $59 at 25% off. And you can mount it securely to your worm drive or your 7¼ inch circular saw. And these are some pictures here of some people using it. The ratings are a little bit, it's 4.1 or 4.2 stars, so I'm not sure why the lower ratings, but from Hercules, they've got these impact rated hex titanium drill bits. It's a 21-piece set with the carrying case, 23% off at $22. They're saying these have up to a 4 times longer life. From Admiral, they had this 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with LED and laser guide for precision cuts. This is $40 off. It's now $199. So it's under $200 with about 4.6 stars. Now this is a Bauer 8 amp 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder. Looks like it's highly rated at $24. This is 44% off, so that's pretty good. Says it delivers up to 11,500 RPMs with 2-position slide handle and tool-free guard. Now this looks cool. This is a Gordon Emergency Survival Kit. This would be a cool gift for someone for Christmas. It's a 12-piece kit. Comes with everything here. Compass, ballistic pen, knife, and it's 20% off. And good for emergencies. It'd be cool to keep in your car, especially if you like camping and hiking. Next up from Pittsburgh Automotive, they've got these adjustable shop stools with the backrest. $59 is 20% off. They come in 4 different colors here. And they have the instant pneumatic adjustment, of course. That's pretty standard. From US General, they have these 3/8 of an inch drive SAE magnetic socket holder. They can hold up to 26 sockets for easy access. 35% off at $12.99, and you can choose your drive size down below. Now from Storehouse, they have this V-shape hang-all hanger, $149, 40% off. This is great if you want to put like hoses up,